Hey guys, welcome back. This is Phil from underKG.com at MWC 2018. And here they are, the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Overall looks are very similar to the S8s, but they minimalized the bezels ever so slightly and hid the iris scanner more thoroughly. And this time, the fingerprint reader is below the camera. The biggest difference in this model change is that camera. They can switch between f1.5 and f2.4 to take better photos in both bright and dark environments. And the Plus model also gets an additional telephoto lens, just like in the Galaxy Note 8. Now it takes 60 FPS video up to 4K UHD resolution with AR emoji feature that's far more customizable than Animoji. For audio department, you'll love the AKG tuned stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos sound effect. Few of the other features include intelligent scan that recognizes you with either iris scanner or face recognition depending on the lighting situation, super fast LTE category 18, and 4G plus 4G hybrid dual SIM. All of these features are powered by the new Snapdragon 845 for North American and Chinese models and Exynos 9810 for rest of the world. You get 4GB of RAM for the S9 and 6GB for the Plus variant. Battery capacities unfortunately stay the same. And that was a quick look of the rather new Samsung flagships. We'll get back with the more videos very soon, and thank you always for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. We'll see you guys later. Ciao!